find the equation of a line given the slope and y-intercept. I think this is the easiest sa lahat ng kung paano natin ma-identify or paano natin mahanap yung equation, paano natin mabibigay yung equation of a line. Ito yung pinakamadali para sa akin. Kasi, given na yung slope and given na yung y-intercept, and we all know the slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to simply substitute the values, and then kung meron kailangan i-simplify, and then voila, yun na yun. Okay, tapos na. Meron na tayong equation of a line. Okay. So, find the equation of the line given the slope is equal to 4, and b, or yung y-intercept, is equal to 3. So, paano lang gagawin? So, this is easy. So, alam natin na ito yung ating form. So, y is equal to mx plus b. So, y is equal to, ano yung m? This is 4. Okay? And then copy. And then, kung ano man ang sign nitong b, yun ang susundan natin. This is positive 3. So, plus 3. Tapos na. Yun na yun. Next, find the equation of the line given the slope of negative 3 and the y-intercept is equal to 1. Okay, so ulit, y is equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to, the slope is negative 3 and then x plus 1. Since this is positive 1. Yun na. Okay, so kung ganito, y is equal to negative 3x plus 1, negative yung slope, so alam natin na decreasing yung ating slope. Diba? Na-discuss na rin natin yan dati pa sa mga previous videos natin. Find the equation of the line given the slope of negative 1 and the y-intercept is negative 2. Okay, so y is equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to 1 and then x. So kung 1x, x na lang isusulat natin. Kasi understood na kapag variable lang nandito, understood na meron tayong 1 as numerical coefficient. And then, sabi ko sa inyo kung ano ang sign ng y-intercept, iyon ang susundin natin. This is negative 2, so this is minus 2. Y is equal to x minus 2. So, kung i-graph nyo yan, this is positive yung slope natin. So, dapat ay positive. Increasing ang ating line. Next, find the equation of the line given the slope is 1/2 and the y-intercept is negative 4. So, pwede na natin niyang idiretso. Huwag na natin isulat yung y is equal to mx plus b para matulin. Pwede na natin isulat that y is equal to 1/2 x. Since this is negative 4, so ito ay minus 4. Okay, 1/2 x minus 4. Next is, find the equation of the line given the slope is equal to 6 and b is equal to 0. So, y is equal to 6x plus 0. So, pwede na natin hindi isulat yung plus 0 kasi ganun lang din naman yan. So, ito na ang ating equation of the line. Y is equal to 6x. Find the equation of the line given the slope is equal to 0 and the y-intercept is equal to 3/4. Okay, so direct na natin. Y is equal to 0x. Ibig sabihin kasi nun ay 0 times x or 0 dahil walang slope. So, wag na natin lagay. Pwede rin naman kasi maging 0 plus 3/4 yan. Or simply 3/4. Ayan. So, walang slope. Ibig sabihin, horizontal lang ating slope. Okay. So now let us see if your answers are correct. Let us check your answers. Find the equation of the line given the following. So the first one is the slope is 7 and the y-intercept is 1/4. So if you are going to find the equation of the line given this, we have y is equal to 7x plus 1/4. Okay, check your own answers. Next. The slope is negative 1 and the y-intercept is negative 6. Therefore, this is y is equal to negative x since this is negative 1x. At hindi na nga natin sinusulat ang 1. So, this is negative x minus 6. And the last one is y is equal to 9 since wala tayong slope.